The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is a testament to Toyota's commitment to durability, reliability, and performance. As one of the most iconic SUVs in the market, the 4Runner continues to evolve, blending modern technology with rugged off-road capabilities. This video delves into the 2025 model's interior, features, exterior design, and powertrain, showcasing why it remains a top choice for adventure enthusiasts and families alike. Interior. The interior of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner has been thoughtfully designed to balance comfort and functionality. Toyota has made significant improvements in material quality, opting for soft-touch surfaces and high-grade leather options in higher trims. The spacious cabin can comfortably seat 5 to 7 passengers, depending on the configuration, with ample legroom and headroom across all rows. One of the standout features is the upgraded infotainment system. The 4Runner now boasts a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. This system is intuitive and user-friendly, providing seamless connectivity and access to various apps and navigation tools. Additionally, the SUV offers multiple USB ports and a wireless charging pad, ensuring all devices stay powered during long journeys. Storage is another area where the 4Runner excels. The cargo area is generous, with a flat load floor and a power rear liftgate for easy access. When the rear seats are folded down, the cargo capacity expands significantly, accommodating larger items effortlessly. For added convenience, the 4Runner features a sliding rear cargo deck, making it easier to load and unload heavy gear. Features. The 2025 4Runner is equipped with a host of advanced features designed to enhance both comfort and safety. Standard across all trims is the Toyota Safety Sense P TSSP suite, which includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control. These features provide peace of mind, whether navigating busy city streets or embarking on remote off-road trails. Higher trims come with additional luxury and convenience features. The limited trim, for instance, includes ventilated front seats, a premium JBL audio system, and a panoramic sunroof, elevating the driving experience. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the TRD Pro trim, which comes with a multi-terrain monitor, crawl control, and a locking rear differential, ensuring the 4Runner can tackle the toughest terrains with ease. Exterior. The exterior design of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner strikes a perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement. It retains the bold, boxy silhouette that has become synonymous with the 4Runner brand, yet incorporates modern design elements that enhance its aesthetic appeal. The front fascia features a prominent grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, providing excellent visibility and a distinctive look. The TRD Pro trim, in particular, stands out with its unique grille design, blacked-out accents, and chunky all-terrain tires, signaling its off-road prowess. Meanwhile, the limited trim offers a more sophisticated appearance with chrome accents and 20-inch alloy wheels. Powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner continues to impress with its reliable and robust powertrain. It is powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine that produces 270 horsepower and 278 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. While the powertrain may not be the most advanced compared to some competitors, it is known for its dependability and longevity. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction, combined with its powerful engine, ensures it can handle heavy loads and challenging terrains without breaking a sweat. For those who crave adventure, the 4Runner offers a sophisticated 4-wheel drive system with a selectable low-range gearing, making it an ideal companion for off-road excursions. The Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, KDSS, available on higher trims, enhances on-road comfort and off-road capability by automatically adjusting the suspension based on driving conditions. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is a versatile SUV that continues to build on its legendary reputation for durability and off-road capability. With its improved interior, advanced features, rugged exterior, and reliable powertrain, the 4Runner caters to a wide range of drivers, from families seeking a dependable daily driver to adventure seekers looking for their next off-road conquest. Toyota has managed to strike a perfect balance, ensuring the 4Runner remains a formidable contender in the ever-competitive SUV market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.